What's up guys, Alex over here in another video. I know I haven't made a video in a while and there's a few different reasons for that, so I just want to make a quick video and go over my Polygon Siskiu T8 that I have had for almost 3 years, for 3 years now, and go over the few changes that I made. And of course I'll leave everything that I purchased for this in the description below. It's nothing major, but some of you might like it. Alright, so as you can see, this bike is dirty. That's because I've been having fun. I've been using it on the trail. Everything looks almost the same as before, except as you've seen on a previous video, I went ahead and installed this Rockshox Yari and changed the decals. I made these decals myself. They're a little, this down tube is matte, and I went ahead and printed them on matte black decal, so they're hardly noticeable. Maybe if I change it, but I don't mind, because if it gets dirty you can still see it. And then this is 150 millimeters of travel, 10 millimeters more than the stock Rockshox Revelation that I had in here. And as you guys know, this bike came with the Tektro Orion 4-piston brakes front and rear, and I did upgraded the rotors to 203s a while back. But the last thing that I did, that you guys probably seen on a previous video, is I replaced the brake levers for the Dior XT on this setup. And this one finger braking is amazing. I cannot explain how different it feels. Run Bike Mike has an excellent video on exactly how to set this up and how everything works. Go check them out. The other thing that I have in here, you probably seen, is the Race Face 35 handlebar that I have. It's 780 millimeters wide, and my fun equalizer stem. I've been using these fun equalizers on almost all my bikes. I love them. This is a 42 offset. And then the last thing that I did, since this bike came stuck with SLX drivetrain, originally this came in with the MPX crankset, so I went ahead and replaced it with the SLX Shimano SLX crankset, 107 millimeters, and of course 32, I think it's a 32 chain ring. Yes, right there, 32 tooth chain ring up front, of course also Shimano. And the last thing that I replaced after 2.5 years was the pedals, because these are the previous one that I had, there were some off-brand $10-15 ones, and they were starting to have a little bit of play, and you could feel that on the trail. So I bought this, also very cheap, but they've been performing really well. I highly recommend these things. I mean, because pedals are one of the things that you're gonna have to replace regardless. So I haven't had the guts to spend $150 on some one-up or something like that, so these are gonna do the trick for a while. Then another thing that this bike I never liked, that it never had, was a water bottle. So I went ahead and do my own DIY water bottle holder over here. So I just put some of the down tube tape that I use over here. It's actually like a it's like 3 millimeters thick. I did a video a while back on that, so I just put that in here to prevent scratches. And now I have a water bottle holder in here, so this thing is been working perfectly fine, shifting perfectly, running tubeless. Cannot be happier. So again, that was just a quick video, because I know I haven't made videos in a while, so hopefully this gives you a little bit of idea of what you can do with your own bike. Again, some of these products I bought from Amazon, not from Amazon, but Facebook Marketplace. Like the fork was like $200 when originally it's almost $700, so you can get really good deals. All I did was a little bit of a service on it, and actually no, I didn't even do a service, because the guy told me that he took it off. So really good deal, 10 millimeters more travel, perfect for what I do. Hope that you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't, please subscribe, turn that notification bell on. And I do still have to record a few more videos, because I haven't done anything in a while video wise, but I'm getting back in there. So That's it for this one, guys, and I guess I will see you on the trails. Let's ride.